6 reasons to carry a small or 58mm Swiss Army knife. Just before I go into the 6 reasons, let's just have a quick look at these 3 examples. Now, I said they're 58mm, so just to show you that, we can use my special measuring pen, and hopefully you can see that they are 58mm or 2.3 inches in size. They're Swiss, so they tend to use metric to measure. So here we've got the Jet Setter, the Classic SD, and my favorite, the Midnite Manager. The other thing about them is that they all have a key ring on them. So, well, a split ring, so you can easily carry them on your key set if you want to, on your keychain. Let's go on to reason 1. So first of all, you will always have a pair of scissors on you, even with the Jet Setter, which has a very limited tool set. There's a very good pair of scissors here. Let me just do a quick test. I've just got a post-it note, but you can see it cuts. You can do precision cuts as well. And I'm not going to do it, but you can even cut your fingernails if you wanted to. I think it's a bit gross to cut them on, but so can cut fingernails, can cut paracord, super snippy. And all 3 of these models have a good pair of scissors on them. So that's reason number 1. Reason number 2 is that you have a small knife blade. Now that's only for these 2. The Jet Setter is a bladeless Victorinox. But just looking at these 2, they each have a cracking, super sharp blade. And I've used this one quite a lot. It's very easy to strop it, to bring it back to a nice sharp edge. Let me just get that in focus. Yeah, there we go. Can we see the edge? Yeah. And the Midnite Manager has the same blade. So they may be small, but they are super sharp, and a small knife blade is better than no knife blade. So this is a way you can always have a small knife on your keyring. Reason number 3. These fit in your 5th pocket. In fact, if you wanted to, not that you would, you could fit all 3 of these easily in your 5th pocket. It's almost what your 5th pocket is made for. And as I said, if you don't want to put it in your 5th pocket, you can easily put one of these onto your keychain. So this is a Jet Setter. And as you can see, it doesn't bulk out your keychain too much. I'm a bit of a minimalist, so I prefer not to have it on my keychain. I also like to swap out my carry. So I have a torch and a Gerber shard, which has a pry bar and a couple of small screwdrivers. And so I prefer to carry it in my 5th pocket. But if you're the sort of person who likes stuff on your keychain, this fits perfectly. I haven't got one, but the Classic SD A-locks would be a perfect keychain carry as well. So that's reason number 3. They fit into your 5th pocket absolutely perfectly. Reason number 4. If you carry one of these, you've always got a screwdriver with you. Now, it does vary depending on the one that you have. So the Jet Setter has the combi tool, and the Midnite Manager also has the combi tool. Now the combi tool is an amazing tool for its size. It's got a small Phillips screwdriver, it's got a wire bender and a cap lifter. So if you carry one of these, you're always going to be able to open a nice cold beer. In Europe, we don't have the twist off cram caps, so you have to have a cap lifter. But the Phillips screwdriver is super handy. if you're thinking, if you have kids' toys, and the kids' toys, for safety reasons, normally have a very small screw to open the battery compartment, and this combi tool has the perfect size screwdriver for that. It's almost designed for dads or handy moms to be able to sort out kids' toys batteries. There we go. So the perfect size for that. There we go. So that's on, the combi tool is on the Midnite Manager and the Jet Setter. The classic SD, and that's where the SD comes from for screwdriver, this has a nail file and a small flathead. But the added benefit for this as well is that you get the nail file, which is really handy. The Midnite Manager has both. So you get both a flathead, the file, and the combination tool. So that's reason 4, a screwdriver. Reason number 5, and this only applies to 2 of the knives. So if you carry either the classic SD or the Jet Setter, you will always have a pair of tweezers, and these are super fine. Always have a pair of tweezers, perfect for splinters, and a toothpick. Some people don't use a toothpick for teeth, but they can be used for getting dirt out of earbuds. You can even convert them into a tick remover by snipping a small V into the end if you want. And check out, I'll put a link in the description for the person who came up with the idea about the tick remover. I think it could be Nick Guyver. So both of these have the tweezers and toothpick. So that's reason 5. Now, the reason 6 is really a combination of all of these things, okay? It is so useful to have one of these on you that you won't want to leave it behind. So once you've carried one of these for any length of time, I think you'll find it becomes a permanent addition to your pocket or your keychain. Now, a bonus item. If you pick the Midnite Manager, which is my one of choice, now you do have to give up on the tweezers and the toothpick. But the benefit of this is a couple of extra special items. One is the flashlight. And the nice thing about this flashlight is, and it runs off a small battery, which is just inside here. So it's really easy to get out. But the great thing is it only comes on when you press the button. So the battery lasts a really long time. And this is just bright enough to be able to light up a keyhole if you're trying to get keys in. If you dropped your keys on the floor, you could use this to find it. Or for my house, I can walk through my house at night without putting the lights on easily. And then the other fantastic tool is a pen. And we just pull out the nail file and we have a pen that is really easy to write with. Sorry about my writing. But please leave a comment if you can, and you can even write in the dark if you wanted to. So I hope you found that useful. Just a few fun facts about each of these. So the Jet Setter, it's a bladeless Swiss Army knife. And it weighs in at 21 grams or 0.8 ounces. The classic SD, which is probably one of the most sold Victorinox knives ever, this weighs in also at 21 grams or 0.8 ounces, so almost nothing. And even the Midnite Manager, which is a 2-layer, whereas the other ones are 1-layer, even this is only 33 grams or 1.2 ounces. I'll put some links in the description for Amazon. So if you want to buy them, you can go straight to Amazon. These are affiliate links. They don't cost you any more, but I get a little bit from it and it just helps to support the channel. I hope you found this really interesting. Please give me a like or a thumbs up, and why not check out this video or this playlist here. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.